Hello students, we are doing chapter number 9 algebra and today we will start exercise 9.4. In this exercise you will learn about substitution. The meaning of substitution means the finding the value of given algebraic expression by replacing the values of variables. So first question it is given, find the value of 3x plus 2y when x is 3 and y is 2. It means the value of x and y. X is 3 and y is 2. We have to replace here and then we have to find the value of this expression. So it is given 3x plus 2y. 3x plus 2y. 3x means 3 multiplied by x. In algebra normally we will not put multiplication symbol. Sometimes we will represent it by dot, or simply if it is written 3x then 3 multiplied by x. 3 dot x also means 3 multiplied by x, and 3 multiplied by x means also 3 multiplied by x. So we have to replace here x and y value and then we will find out the answer. Now we can write it as 3. In place of x we have to write 3. X value is 3 plus 2, y value is 2. So 3 into 3. 3 bracket 3 means 3 multiplied by 3. 3 into 3, 9. 2 into 2, 4. And 9 plus 4 is equal to 13. So the value of 3x plus 2y is here 13. Second part, 5x minus 3y when x is 2 and y is 5. So expression is 5x plus 5x minus 3y. So we can write it as 5 multiplied by 2 because x value is 2 minus 3 and y value is 5. So 5 into 2, 10. 3 into 5, 15. 10 minus 15 is minus 5 because we are subtracting a bigger number from a smaller number. So answer will be minus 5. Third part, a plus 2b minus 5c when a is 2, b is 3 and c is equal to 1. So a plus 2b minus 5c. A value is here 2, then plus 2, b value is 3 minus 5 and c value is 1. This will be 2, second term 2 into 3 it will become 6 and 5 into 1 5. 2 plus 6 8, 8 minus 5 3. Next fourth part, 2p plus 3q plus 4r plus pqr when p is equal to 1, q is 2 and r is 3. So substitute values here, 2, p is 1 plus 3, q is 2 plus 4, r is 3. Then here p value is 1, q value is 2 and r value is 3. 2 into 1, 2. 3 into 2, 6. 4 into 3, 12. Then 1 into 2 into 3 is 6. 2 plus 6, 8. 8 plus 12, 20. And 20 plus 6, 26. Next fifth part, 3ab plus 4bc minus 5ca. When a is 4, b is 5 and c is 2. So substitute values here, 3 in place of a 4, in place of b 5 plus 4, b value is 5, c value is 2 minus 5, c value is 2 and a value is 4. Now 3 4s are 12, 12 5 60 plus 4 5 20 and into 2 40 minus 5 to 10 into 4 40. So here plus 40 and minus 40 it will cancel out. So answer will be here 60. Question number 2. Find the value of first part, 2x square minus 3x plus 4 when x is 2. So here x square means x multiplied by x. The value of x is given 2. So 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to 4. So in place of x square we have to substitute 4. So 2 x square value is 4 minus 3 2 plus 4. 2 into 4 8 minus 3 into 2 6 plus 4. 8 minus 6 is 2 and 2 plus 4 is 6. So answer is here 6. Second part, 4x cube minus 5x square minus 6x plus 7 when x value is equal to 3. So substitute. First we will find out x cube. X cube means x multiplied by x multiplied by x 3 times. So x value is 3. 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 means 27. And x square also we want. So x square means x multiplied by x. 3 multiplied by 3 equal to 9. Substitute now value here. X cube means 27 minus 5 x square means 9 minus 6 into 3 plus 7. 4 into 27 you have to multiply. 108 5 9 45 minus 6 3 18 plus 7. Then you have to simplify it. Subtract these two from this and then add. Then finally you will get 52. Next third part, we have to find out here 3x cube plus 9x square minus x plus 8 value when x is equal to 4. So first x cube you find out. X cube means 3 times x you have to multiply. X value is here 4. So 4 into 4 into 4. 4 4 16 and 16 4 64. Similarly find out x square. X into x. 4 into 4 16. Now substitute values here. 3x cube value is 64 plus 9x square value is 16 minus 4 plus 8. 3 into 64 192 plus 16 9 144 minus 4 plus 8. You can simplify it and then you will get answer 340. Fourth part, 2x to the power 4 minus 5x cube plus 7x minus 3 when x value is 2. So we have to find out here x to the power 4. X to the power 4 means x into x into x into x. 4 times we have to multiply x. So x value is 2. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to 16. Then next x cube. 3 times you have to multiply equal to 8. And then x square we don't want here. Now substitute 2 into 16 minus 5 into 8 plus 7 into 2 minus 3. So 2 into 16 32 minus 40 plus 14 minus 3. Simplify it, then you will get answer here 3. Next question number 3, first part. If x is equal to 5, find the value of 6 minus 7x square. So we have to put here x square value. X square means x multiplied by x. 5 multiplied by 5 which is equal to 25. Now you can substitute 6 minus 7 into 25. So 7 into 25 is equal to 175. And now you have to subtract a very big number from a small number. So first do the subtraction. 159, 169 you will get it. And because 175 is a greater number, it is having minus symbol. So final symbol will be minus symbol. Second part, 3x square plus 8x minus 10. Same value we have to substitute here, 5. So 3x square already we have calculated 25 plus 8x value is 5 minus 10. 3 into 25 is 75, 8 5 40 minus 10. So 75 plus 40, 115 minus 10, 105 is answer. Third part, 2x cube minus 4x square minus 6x plus 25. So x square already we have to find out x cube. X cube is equal to x multiplied by x multiplied by x. 5 into 5 into 5, which is equal to 125. Substitute these values here. 2 into 125 minus 4 into 25 minus 6 into 5 plus 25. So 2 into 125, 250 minus 100 minus 30 plus 25. Then you have to simplify it. After that you will get answer 145 is the correct answer. In your textbook it is given 147, that is wrong. Next question number 4. If x is 2, y is 3 and z is 1, find the value of x divided by y. X divided by y means 2 divided by 3, which we can write like this, 2 by 3. Second part, xy by z. Xy by z. Xy means we have to multiply x and y. 2 into 3 by z value is 1. 2 into 3 is 6 and by 1 is not compulsory to write. Next, third part, 2x plus 3y minus 4z divided by 3x minus z. So substitute values here. 2 into 2 plus 3 into 3 minus 4 into 1 by 3 into 2 minus 1. 2 into 2 will become 4. 3 into 3 9 minus 4 by 3 into 2 6 minus 1 plus 4 minus 4, so this thing will cancel out. 9 by 5 we will get 6 minus 1 5, which you can convert into mixed fraction, one whole number 4 by 5. Next question number 5. If a is 2, b is 3 and c is 1, find the value of a square plus b square plus c square minus 2ab minus 2bc minus 2a plus 3abc. So substitute here values of abc. A square we have done before only. 2 into 2 means 4, b square 9, c square is 1 minus 2. A is 2, b is 3. Keep in bracket. Then second, 2, b is 3, c is 1. Then 2, c is 1 and a is 2. Plus 3, 2 into 3 into 1. Now multiply 4 plus 9 plus 1. 4 plus 9 plus 1 minus 2 to 4, 4 3 12 minus 2 into 3 6 minus 2 into 2 4, then plus 2 3 to 6 6 3 18. After this you have to simplify these numbers, add and subtract according to that, and then you will get answer 10. Next question number 6. If p value is 4, q is minus 3, r is 2, find the value of p cube plus q cube minus r cube minus 3pqr. So first find out the p cube, q cube and r cube in rough column. P cube is 3 times p we have to multiply, so 64. Q cube means q 3 times, so q value is here minus 3 minus 3 minus 3. So 2 times minus and minus will become plus, and third symbol will be as it is, minus 27. Similarly r cube will be 8. Now substitute these values here. 64 plus q cube value is minus 27, so keep in bracket first. Then minus 8 minus 3 into 4 into minus 3 into 2. then plus and minus will become minus 8, and here this minus and this minus, when you will multiply, it will become plus, and remaining number you can multiply. 3 into 4 into 3 into 2, which you will get 72. Simplify these numbers, then you will get 101. In book for this also answer is wrong. It is given 11 in book, but answer is 101. Next question number 7. If m is 1, n is 2 and p is 3, find the value of 2m n to the power 4 minus 15 m square n minus p. So first n to the power 4 simplify, find out in rough column, means n 4 times you have to multiply. M to the power 2, m 2 times you have to multiply. Now substitute these values here. 2, m is 1, n to the power 4 is 16, minus 15, m square is 1 and n value is 2, minus 3. 2 into 1, 2 into 16, 32, minus 15 into 2, 30 and minus 3. Then here you will get 32 minus 32, 2 minus 3, minus 1. Next question number 8. For x is 5 and y is 2, verify x plus y whole square is x square plus 2xy plus y square. In verification you have to check whether both the sides are coming same. Here equal to symbol is there. Before equal to symbol we will call it left side, and after equal to symbol we will call it right side. These values we have to substitute in left side also and then right side also, and both the sides should come same. If equal to is there means both the sides will come same, and if it is coming same means it is verified. So we will check here. First we will take left side. Left side is x plus y whole square. X value is 5 and y value is 2 and whole square. So first simplify this bracket. 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 square is equal to 49. Now right side we will calculate x square plus 2xy plus y square. X square means x into x, 5 into 5 equal to 25, plus 2 into 5 into 2 plus y square means 2 into 2, 4. So 25 plus 2, 5, 10 plus 2, 20 plus 4. Add everything. 25 plus 20, 45 plus 4, 49. Now you can see left and right side is coming same, because left side is equal to right side. The meaning of these 3 dots means because up 2 dot, down 1 dot. Therefore, or you can write hence verified. Second part, we have to verify x minus y whole square is equal to x square minus 2xy plus y square. So first we will take left side, x minus y whole square. X minus y means 5 minus 2 whole square. 5 minus 2 is 3 and 3 square means 3 into 3, 9. Now we will check for right hand side. X square minus 2xy plus y square. X square means 5 into 5, 25, minus 2 into 5 into 2, and y square means 2 into 2, 4. 25 minus 20 plus 4. 25 minus 25 and 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. So because left side is coming equal to right side, hence verified. Next third part, x square minus y square is equal to x plus y, x minus y. So first left side we will take x square minus y square. X square means 5 into 5, 25. Y square means 2 into 2, 4. So 25 minus 4 is 21. Now right side we will check x plus y multiplied by x minus y. x plus y means 5 plus 2 and another bracket is 5 minus 2. 5 plus 2 is 7 and here 5 minus 2 is 3. 7 into 3, 21. So because left side is coming equal to right side, hence verified. Fourth part, x plus y whole square is equal to x minus y whole square plus 4xy. So first left side we will take x plus y whole square, 5 plus 2 whole square, which is equal to 7 square equal to 49. 7 into 7, 49. Now right side we will take x minus y whole square plus 4xy. X minus y means 5 minus 2 whole square plus 4 into 5 into 2. Substitute values. 5 minus 2 is 3. 3 square plus 4, 5, 20 into 2, 40. 3 square is equal to 9 plus 40, which is equal to 49. So because left side is equal to right side, hence verified. Next fifth part, x plus y whole cube is equal to x cube plus y cube plus 3x square y plus 3xy square. So first we will take left side, x plus y whole cube. X value is 5 and y value is 2. 5 plus 2 means 7 whole cube. So 7 cube means 7 into 7 into 7, which you will get 343. Now right side, x cube plus y cube plus 3x square y plus 3xy square. Substitute values. X cube is equal to 125. Y cube value is 8 plus 3 into 25 into 2 plus 3 into 5 into 4. So 125 plus 8, 3 into 25, 75 into 2, 150. 3 into 5, 15 and 15, 4, 60. Add everything, you will get 343. So because left side is equal to right side, hence verified. So this exercise is completed. Hope you understood these questions properly. Thank you for watching our video.